Hey everyone, I'm Alexis.
And I'm Gloria.
Coming to you from Greenleaf Elementary. Are you tired of scrolling back and forth to figure out what student you're inputting data for?
Well, we have the answer for you. Freeze those columns in Google Sheets. This is our topic for this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hi everyone, today we're going to start off in our class link where we can find our Google Sheets. Or you can log in through your email, however you need to use it. I already started a Google Sheets, so we're going to do a basic outline right here. Yours might look completely different, but in the general sense, we have different information that we're putting in for a student or however you use your Excel sheets. And so right now, if I wanted to go over here to another column, I would have to scroll back and forth trying to figure out what student I'm trying to find what information about. So it makes it kind of hard. So the easy way to fix that problem is if you go up to the view up here and you see this freeze button. Now you can either do the rows or you can do columns. And so I'm going to start off with the rows because I want to see what information I'm looking into if I'm scrolling down trying to put information down to the students, and that bar stays where it is. Now I can also do it for the columns as well. And so I'm going to start with my column because I want to know what students I'm actually looking at. If I scroll back and forth, my information can stay at the top. I can see what student I'm inputting that data for, and then I can scroll back and forth as well to see it with all the other information as well. And so that's an easy, quick way to freeze your columns and keep in order what you are doing. Links and tutorials for Google Sheets can be found under the Digital Learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your Class Link portal and open up to your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital Online button to find this app and lots of other great tech tip tools. Thanks for joining us today.
And meet us back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.